Yeah, people them Jackor.
Party morning. Good thing today back in St. Mary again, you know.
By the rain lash.
Right at my yard gate. I'm last night a beer rain till this morning.
Road wet Jackor.
So
Wet.
I have to give thanks to a little time my son had right now in the morning. And thing. So you know.
So true Jackor, me say you look like you start up the Airbnb.
Yeah.
You ready for the people? Because me say V-Clout get this, so where you say them can't come?
Yeah, man.
You ready? So Parry, we start up the Airbnb, you know. And food, you look about them food, all of them something there too.
Then I'm here with the people over there.
All right. Tell them, Corey, tell them.
Corey.
Tell
We
them.
do all the cooking, man.
See how yam pan,
Yeah,
sit
people over there, my place and all them something there. So who come.
Yeah,
Appreciation is here.
all right,
Accommodation
Corey.
is here and everything, you know.
All right, you're ready for them, Corey. You do a little thing. You do a little thing. So as you go along and make a money, you will go and little.
Yeah.
So parents saying do a little thing and then ready for you, you know. Flush toilet and all them sinting the road
Everything
there.
about.
Everything.
Water, roadside, everything.
At you?
Come on, we are right.
Yeah, Corey, start for the Christmas.
Yes.
Alright, so look more Corey. We are going to Parry way up in the district. I go down mama, but the road, brother. The road, man. Me not know the real air. So them a big stone here in the road, Uncle Murphy.
Take it back and just level out the road.
But them in a see back out a square out there. So oh, Parry, you know see what I want? It a get worse up on mama, yeah. Where's Uncle Murphy? Then give all our work and brush the side of the road, them in a Parry, you see, but it a grow up back. So if you give all our work, and ball of work means it's just like Christmas work, we back in the country. All in the town then call it ball of work too, don't it? Yeah, it's Christmas work. Ball of work is when the people in the country get to clean the roadside and clean all of them something. See the back road down in the square there and look on the congestion road. So many things that ain't comfy. Like a Tommy house, he comfy, fit the back road down.
Yeah.
Me no know. The back road the Parry, you don't see it. See it there, but me no know what I want.
Wagwan.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Do look up, why? I saw them clean the road. Lord have mercy. Yeah, next clip there, Parry. Parry, the rain now let up here. The rain no rough. The rain don't come, but me I tell you, the rough show them the sky, camera girl. You just run. The rain rough up here, Parry. But we have gift thanks and we take it down on that one. But the rain is normal up there. Yes, wait. This is where I'm around the back here and I'm looking. And so it's grunge. Grunge. Wow. Them said the rain fall whole night last night. So we start clearing over the bush, the Parry. You can see, zoom up the camera. You see we start clean up that when you're here so you not see pure bush again. But we just a start, but the rain they pan way. The rain have way a little way. Carry them down here and show them on the gully right there. So. Start man. But should get some guys and you know me left some money give them and them a clean up. Clean up over this and we are clean go all the way up. See how the attitude them full of attitude. As far as your eyes can see, I look back, zoom up, camera girl, bring them right up as far as your eyes can see. Way back go right back over here and then when you go up the top in the level below you have a this not a next what you call it now on the other side. We'll show it one day. I'm gonna give a look a property tour over there. When this weather all up, because the weather depends with bad weather. But we are here to do one little wipe out, one little clean up. Because one little part of me did want to finish. It finished, so I'm going to come for deal with it. But I'll show you as we go along. I'm not carry up here because the rain rough.
Okay guys, so we have a little Christmas tree, right, that we got for a little while now. Even though it's not finished inside here, I'm going to still try and put it in, right? So it's down here in the box. This is the box. And just like all that we have up there, I'm going to put together, but this one is a little bit different. The base, I have to connect it together, and then the other part down there. So as I go I'm going
I
to show
see
you
a
guys what
cob
I
come
do.
out more, push out the box no cob and bring out the tree where them can see you. So Pari Kimara girl says she had put up a little Christmas tree in her place. Mind you, nobody won't be here, but she says she still have put it up. But we're not gonna leave it lit. You know, so maybe when we come for a few days we can just go on. We thought we would have reached further in here, because you say you can see you looking outside right there. So now, so we have the window to put in. That was where I was showing you prior. If you can look back on some of the videos, we had a piece of board there. So we were really anticipating, and you can see so the grill work measurement not take right, so we have to go get that adjusted. We have to get that adjusted. So she over this and she had put up a Christmas tree. So I guess when she finished sort it out and I put on the decoration, then she will get back. Me there I try wipe the floor and I try straighten up, because what is happening inside here, you know, the workman then come in all along up and down, but me still when I come me tidy it up, but a few weeks I'm gonna get to tidy it up, so I kind of fresh it up. Cause I like when I come and in it look a funny smell, you know. So I just kind of fresh it up, but the rain there pan with. So this is the last freshen up, you know. Everything now we clean down, cause all the cement work and something finish inside here. So then we won't have to in back here with no more cement again. All of that finish. So we are trying to get the place at a little level and so on. You know, get a dining table in or something. Because actually this part is going to be a little living room part. Because as you see to the connect out, you look out on the veranda. You know? So we are going to try to furnish it here with a couch or two. Dining table, a little dining, you know. Whatever it want name. Because, you know, it's not no big labadosh or something. That's a little thing, you know. You know, a nice little sitting area. That's what we are really trying to do with inside this. And now that is finished, but I forgot to get over this, so granite down and prime and paint and some curtains. We do have some curtains already, so that's not gonna be done for the Christmas though, but who cares about that? Whenever it's done, it's done. So Pari, we not even make no progress, because guess what happened? Kamara girl realized that the ornaments them we'll get for the tree, them don't have any tree. We just realized that. So I am tired. Today is Sunday. I had Zoom class last night and I come off of the class. After I come off of the class, I was so tired. I never reached the bed till after 12. Wake up 5 o'clock this morning for come and I'm here. I don't know, say I work man and them I use the fridge everywhere. But I'm not going to tell a lie, probably clean up good, because the tile was up. When I come and see the tile, all the cement drop on the time, I did really mad at him. When I tell you that, I did really kind of mad at him. But he might show me, say, when I clean up the cement off of the tile. Clean up the cement off of the tile, so. I got the measurement for the window. I'm not so pleased with my grill man for that grill still, but so many little things. And I come like me, I go left everything undone. Everything will be left undone. I wanted to clean my plants, but I'm tired. I'm just so tired. In order for me to function, I have to sleep. But we're going to come back another day. Try to clean up, get it done, wash the chair, the machine over there. So I panka and try wash up the machine, because I look like the cement flashing still. But we never did plan for that right there. So and then I told him to put these stuff down there, but him still never do it. Him to feel something. I'm kind of glad I get this off now. So it will dry out. We will get for granite it now and prime it out and paint it. So I know what is gonna happen, because we plan for do today more than me. I do most of the work, and there it might look, it's not a big, it's just in here and the bathroom I want to clean. I clean it for so long, because as me telling a pure man there, I want to know the man thing. But so not even in the fridge, and I want to sit in my eye, I want to sleep. So we have to just finish up this another day. What I want to do, I want to check inside there. I have toilet bowl and face basin in there, so a next toilet bowl and a next face basin. So the whole pan moving, I want to check if any of them damaged. And then I think we just have to wipe off the machine, see if any cement they drop on it. I can't wash the chair. And basically, I go work. Everything just go. We mop the floor though. We mop the floor. We make it here smell fresh. But I don't even sitting up on the table. And we camera girl up, we put back this in the fridge. So today is just a day of no accomplishment. We don't accomplish nothing because I am energyless. No energy I have, so. Because it's even more than what I thought. Because normally we come with a wipe out and something. We didn't even bring the curtains either. We have the curtains at home. We rinse them and press them already. So, and this, me just remember, so I never get curtain rods yet. We're trying to make it be a little thing for the holiday, but look here, when we come back, look here. Whatever, we not give yourself no problem. Whatever. I look out there, so I wonder if I sink tile, sink out there, so but make it, but it looks like my eye now, I say, but tired my eye now. So Paris, we are going to show you what we are going to do, get done, and maybe we show you where we are leave or when we on the road or whatever. But this is a day of no accomplishment. We don't accomplish nothing, so that's it. Next week. Yeah man, rain and boy we come and we tired. Come for tidy up, but the rain and vibes and me tired. Me just start wipe out and sit and me just see like I want to sleep. Curry have 2 nice guava over here, the man.
Guava there. No.
If me a stick, me draw them down. Me not no stick. I say rice and peas and rice and peas and fish today.
Okay.
A chicken, me think a rice and gungo. And a gungo.
You can't buy gungo.
Ain't tell them the plant none about ya. A $1,500 what? Me buy for last time I come up here and I go down. Yeah man, cause rain they come and wash out the.
You know about the plant go back the back the side.
Oh.
Buy gungo.
Okay.
Okay. You take time pushing till one other day again.
Yes man, because the water started.
Yeah man, the water and the broke your vibes and me did work till late last night, you know, so me did come now things and me have energy, but me not no energy, yeah man.
Water pull you.
Yeah, I me no have no food down there, and me never care nothing for cook. I mean in no mood for cook and me just feel weak out.
Yeah,
and then she come to put up Christmas tree and my water business different. Me mean down pan for me straight there. Yeah. Me sort out myself.
Yeah man, all you do. You put on a parish course now.
Me can't bother with them. Me set up tank when rain fall, me we have enough to serve me.
Me say if you go to a parish course, so all them are going to tell us to do. Play flat if you're willing.
And most of the time me not have no water.
Yeah, we have water man.
Oh, yeah.
When summer come in and the water, them a send the bill come get same way. Me a work on, me just go and set up for my water system. Me can't bother cause me a water problem at town. When as you see, I reach January gone back to and to come up here with it.
You have more time when the water not come from up in the hill.
And them a send bill come get same way. So, how we a push and go through. If we deb out tonight, we know so we deb out.
Alright, just take
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
keep
Good.
dry and warm in our house there.